Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can translate your web page in Opera GX. So go to the search and type Opera extension, click on the first link, and here click on the extensions. Now you'll need to find translator. Click on the translator and click add to Opera. You will need to wait for the installation, and as you can see it will say translator has been added to Opera. Now go right here in the top right corner and click on the extensions. Here you can pin it and you will see that you will have a translator. And now if you go to a different web, you just need to click auto detect, and here you can select the language. Here you can select other language, and let's say I want to translate this to Lithuanian. And as you can see, if I put right here, it will translate my page. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.